to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today, we will be learning Lesson 27, the story of Nicodemus. We will also be learning new vocabulary words about buying and selling. If you would like to review clothing and colors before this lesson, please go back and look at Lesson 13. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Enter. Enter. When class starts, please enter through the door. Enter. Therefore. Therefore. Therefore is another way to say as a result of or because of this thing. For example, I worked very hard, therefore I feel tired. Therefore. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. Let's read it together one more time. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. Awesome work, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 165. One night, Nicodemus looked for Jesus and asked him how a person could enter God's kingdom. Jesus told him that anyone who believes in the Son of God can enter God's kingdom and be born again. Jesus is the Son of God, so to believe in Jesus is how we can become born again. How can we become born again? We can learn 3 important points from our power verse and from our story in My Precious Book. Number 1, we must be born again to enter heaven. To be born again means to believe in Jesus and have a new heart full of love for Him. Number 2, Nicodemus looked for Jesus to ask him questions. It is okay to ask questions about Jesus before making the decision to follow Him. Number 3, when you believe in Jesus, you get to be a new creation. That means you get to start life again fresh and clean, without any sin. Jesus took all our sin away when He died on the cross for us. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn some new English vocabulary words. Today, we will be learning about buying and selling. Are you ready? Buy. Buy. The boy would like to buy a new video game. Buy. Sell. Sell. The woman would like to sell some second-hand items. Sell. Seller. Seller. A seller is a person who sells something, usually in a market. Seller. Shop. Shop. A shop is a place to buy clothes, food, or other items. It can also be used as a verb. For example, I am shopping for new clothes. Shop. Cost. Cost. The cost is the price, or how much money you need to pay. Cost. What else? What else? We also say, anything else? Anything else. What else and anything else is a way to ask, do you want anything more? What else? Anything else. Kilogram. Kilogram. A kilogram is a unit of measurement. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Kilogram. Half kilo. Half kilo. A half kilo is also a unit of measurement. A half kilo is 500 grams. Half kilo. On sale. On sale. If something is on sale, it means you can buy it for a cheaper price. On sale. Percent off. Percent off. Percent off is a way to say how much an item is on sale. For example, if an item is 50% off, it will cost half the price it normally costs. Percent off. Price tag. Price tag. A price tag is a small piece of paper that tells you how much an item costs. Price tag. Receipt. Receipt. A receipt is used to write down what you bought and how much you spent. Receipt. Customer. Customer. A customer is the person who wants to buy something. Customer. Cashier. Cashier. A cashier is a person who works at the store and takes your money. Cashier. Scale. Scale. A scale is used to measure how much of something you want to buy. For example, you would use a scale to measure a half kilo of rice. Scale. Fit. Fit. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. If something fits, it is the right size. If it doesn't fit, maybe it is too big or too small. Fit. change, change. Sometimes, if you pay with a bill, you paid too much. The cashier will give you your change. Change. Take back. Take back. If something doesn't fit or you don't like it, sometimes you can take it back to the store. The store will give you your money back. Take back. Afford. Afford. If you can afford something, it means you have enough money to buy it. For example, I can afford to buy new shoes today, but I can't afford to also buy a new dress. Afford. Cheap. Cheap. If something is cheap, it means it does not cost very much money. Cheap. Expensive. Expensive. If something is expensive, it means it costs a lot of money. Expensive. Good deal. Good deal. A good deal is when you get a good and fair price for something you buy. Good deal. Bargain. Bargain. A bargain is when you pay less than people normally do for an item. Bargain. Quality. Quality. The quality of an item is how good or bad it is. Something can be of good quality or bad quality. Quality. Size. Size. The size of something tells you how big or small it is. For example, what size do you wear? I wear a size medium. Size. Cash. Cash. Cash is another word for paper money. Cash. Card. Card. A card means a bank card. At some stores, you can pay by cash or by card. Card. Exchange. Exchange. Exchange means to change for another option. For example, if you bought the wrong size, you can take it back to the store and exchange it for the correct size. Exchange. Pay. Pay. Pay is a verb that means to give money for the item you want to buy. Pay. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice some English grammar together. Are you ready? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Hello, sir. How much does this shirt cost? This shirt is usually $10, but today it is 50% off. Today the shirt costs $5. Anything else? anything else? Hello, I would like to buy these shoes. Sure, no problem. Is there anything else you would like to buy? Yes, I would also like to buy these pants. Anything else? Would like. Would like. Hello, I would like to buy some eggs. No problem. How many eggs would you like to buy? I would like to buy 10, please. Would like. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's practice our dialogue together. Lesson 27, Dialogue. Hello, sir. I would like to buy a new shirt. Of course. We have many different shirts in different colors. What color and size would you like? I would like to buy a medium blue shirt with long sleeves. Sure. Would you like to try this on? You can try it on in the fitting room. Thank you. Excuse me, but this doesn't fit. Do you have a larger size? Let me look. Ah, yes. Here you go. Try this one. It is a large. This is perfect. How much does it cost? That shirt is $15. That is a little expensive. I don't think I can afford that right now. Do you have a different shirt on sale? Yes, we do. We have a blue shirt on sale for $8, but it has short sleeves. The quality is still very good though. Is that okay? Yes, that's fine. That is a very cheap price. Yes, this is the best bargain you will get all day. Would you like to buy anything else? No, thank you. That's it for today. Your total is $8. Would you like to pay with cash or card? I will pay with cash. Here is $10. Great! $2 is your change. Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary words about buying and selling. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!